Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on artificial intelligence or AI. AI has been a popular topic in recent times, but what is it exactly? In this video, we will be discussing the basics of AI in just 5 minutes, before we dive into the topic. We kindly ask that you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. This way, you won't miss any future updates or new videos that we post. Thank you. Artificial intelligence or AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. There are many different subfields of AI, all of which aim to create systems that can function intelligently and independently. One of the most common ways to think about AI is in the context of a human. After all, humans are the most intelligent creatures we know. AI is the field of natural language processing, NLP, which involves using machine learning techniques to make predictions that humans can't even come close to. The most common forms of AI are machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that uses algorithms to analyze and learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves training neural networks to recognize patterns and make decisions based on large amounts of data. AI has various applications in our life today. For example, in healthcare, AI is used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and develop personalized treatment plans. Also in finance, AI is used to detect fraudulent activities, analyze market trends, and provide personalized investment advice. Other example of using AI is in transportation. AI is used in self-driving cars and traffic management systems. Finally, AI is not replacing humans 100%. But it is helping us to become more productive and creative. I hope you get excited about what artificial intelligence can do for us, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.